normal country. We sell cars.
Can't fucking drive them though!
British countryside. Sometimes you can sit here for hours and look at it. Also, sometimes you have...
No fucking choice!
You know what they say about people who live life in the fast lane, don't you?
They do not live in fucking England!
Oh, there's no traffic. The light's green. But hold on.
It's a fucking liner! Come on! Go!
Here's a good joke. What's worse than being stuck behind a learner driver?
Being stuck behind two of the selfish pricks!
Do you want to live in London? Do you want to live life in the fast lane?
Good fucking luck finding it!
They say if you look at something for long enough, you'll start to love it.
Well, I'll be shoving my cock in her fucking brake light sandwich!
Why the fuck do they call it a rush hour?
Slow down, everyone! Calm down! It's not a race! Stop rushing!
Americans drive on that side of the road. But in England, on this side of the road, you sit here and do
Fucking nothing!
Got another joke? What have British people in a statue got in common? We literally never
Fucking move!